Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you Unbiased review on PuruLoads.com. So if you are curious to know about Unbiased review, watch the video till the end. ProLoads is a kind of website that caters to the field of arms and ammunition. Their stocks contain different kinds of bullets, brass, gunpowders, primers, shells, etc. Their products pricing seems to be reasonable, but they do not accept orders below $200. So whenever you plan to buy from this website, your subtotal has to be $2. No doubt the website also gives you a money back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the purchase, but you must check out this legitimacy of site portal. So it is https secured website. They have mentioned the official address, but unfortunately they have not mentioned the contact details. As far as email address is concerned, the email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name. Moreover, as their shipping policy says that the buyers can choose their preferred courier company from the available option. The positive point of pro loads are the prices of the products are reasonable. They have mentioned the product description. A free shipping option is available. No time restraint given for return and exchange. The negative point of pro loads are a single mode of payment is available. No reviews can be seen anywhere. Return policy is lengthy. 100% refund is not possible as shipping charges are non-refundable. Cancellation policy is also not mentioned. 24/7 customer service is not available. Lack of phone number may affect quick customer support. No permission details are available. So the question is Pro Loads legit? It was registered on 4th July 2021, just 2-month old website. The address which they have mentioned can be seen on Google Map. As far as contact details are concerned, they have just mentioned email address. If you are interested to contact, you must email them. As far as the content is concerned, it is copied content. Broken links are also present on the site. So if you are interested to check out more details of the site portal, you must check out the reviews. So on our in research, we could not trace even a single review for this website that can be seen throughout our research. Even social media pages are unable to provide any thought on behalf of any customer. So we are unable to mention the legitimacy of the particular website and its products. So in our final conclusion, we would suggest to not to invest money in this website as our research reveals it to be suspicious. So from our point of view, it's not a trustworthy website, and if you have shopped from this store, please do share your experience and views regarding this website with us. Write in the comment box. We will love to hear from you.